Hello, welcome back to Russo Model channel. How are you today, guys? Do you feel fine? Part number 4. And I think it's a very important part because I'm going to do it very different and very informative for the people that buy this clear coat by zeropaint, 2K clear coat by zeropaint, and want to know how to mix it and how to use it. I will do it very slowly. This part, I know that I tell you that we do the clear coat and then the polish, but I decide to make only the clear coat with how I mix it, how I spray it, and how I protect it from the dust. And I think it's very important for the people that all the time scared from this part of the process, the clear coat. I heard a lot of people that afraid from 2K clear coat and how to mix it and how to do things with this amazing material. I will try to do my best to do it in very informative way, guys, for the people that start, because I remember when I was start, wow, I used a couple of times with this clear coat and I not understand what I'm doing and I destroy some of the models. So it's very important for the people that buy this material by zeropaint. I highly recommend. It's a very good clear coat and hard, and if you will see this video, I promise you that you will succeed to make it. A few tips before we will start to show you how I mix it. What I'm doing usually when I do a clear coat, I'm not wearing a green t-shirt. It's depend on the car. This car, it's a white car, travel white. Remember, we will make the carbon fiber and everything. So it's better if I will put a white t-shirt. It's a good tip for my friend Asi. He's asked me about a clear coat and we talk about it, and he say each time that I spray a clear coat and my car is white, I use a white t-shirt. If it's red, I use a red t-shirt and things like that, because sometimes the fabric can go and touch your model. So the first tip is you know, change the t-shirt between, if you spray on a red car, so put a red t-shirt. Easy. Yes, I know it's easy and it sounds funny, but it helps you a lot. So I will change the t-shirt. You will not see it, of course. And we continue on. So what I'm doing, I prepare all my work area that I spray in the working spray over there. I spray water. It's just a water. I spray all over the place where I want to spray the clear coat. This make the dust go down and stick to the water, and it's very important because you don't want the dust on the model. You don't care the dust on the floor, but not on your model. And it's very important because even if you have dust all the time, you need to sand it down and flat it. So less dust, less work. Okay. Second tip, I buy this amazing blower, as you can see over there, by Opler. It's very good. You can blow up all the dust from the area and then spray water. It's depend on you. It's helped me a lot to get rid of all the dust, because we all know the dust is the enemy of our life, of our model and everything. So it's very important. This is also a good tip for you guys. What I want to say about it, when I finish to spray the clear coat, I use a clear box, a plastic box, and put the model inside and the dust not touch your model. It's very important to know that this dust no need to hurt to be cured. It's a chemical reaction between materials, and you will see it in a couple of seconds, and we'll start to mix it. And it's very important for the people that buy it, want to know how to mix it, because on the instructor here they say 50, 100, 10%. I will show you exactly what I'm doing, so don't worry. Let's start. Take a seat. It's I don't know if it will be very long, but it will long video. Enjoy. About the process, before we move on, one more thing about the process, guys. I do it in 3 steps, okay, and I will explain. First step, I use my wonderful Grex. This is the gun that I use. I clean it before. Don't get lazy. Clean your airbrush, especially when you do a clear coat, okay? Very important. clean your airbrush. I use a Greg 0.5 TG. It's a very good one. I use it. Yes, I remember. And after that, what I do, it's clean the area, as I say. Amazing. Now let's move on the process because it's very important. I shoot a mist coat, a very tiny layer of clear coat all over the place, all over the car. It's like I say, spray a mist coat all over the place. Let it cure around 10 minutes. Okay, put it in the clear box. Each time you can take your model and put the clear box. Don't worry, the clear coat not be cured in the airbrush. Don't worry. Some people ask me what you do between. I wait 10 minutes, listen to the music, relaxing, and make the second coat. The second coat, it's like a mid-wet coat. It's not a fully wet coat that you can see on the shine. A mid-wet coat to see where I need more or less. Wait a 10 minute more, and then the final coat, wet coat, fully wet coat on the model, and don't touch it. Even if dust fall down, believe me, we have a dust in this model, we have a dust in many models, but less dust, it's less work. Remember it? Let's start now, today, here, again, Rosso model. Enjoy! Okay guys, so as you can see, this is what you get when you buy from zeropaint the clear coat. This is how it's coming. Over there it say 100% part of the clear, 50% from the hardener, 10% from the thinner. Example, 20 ml clear, 10 ml hardener, and 3 ml of thinner. Okay, what I usually do, let's open the box and see what we get inside. It's come like that with all the instructor over there, how to do it. As you can see over there, how to mix it and everything. But you have me, so you don't need it. Okay, let's move on and I will show you what I'm doing. If you see my model, you better that believe me, it's working. Okay, what I usually do, I start from the clear. I have a pipe, a 3 pipe. I use a 3 pipe of 2 mil. If you can see on the scale over there, they have 2 mil. It means this pipe 2 mil until here. Okay, so if I take one from here and put it in the cup over there that also have a scale over there, and I will put a 10 mil, it means how much time from 2? Yes, you know the answer. Okay, so let's start and put it over there. Okay guys, what I'm doing, use the pipe until the 2, one, go there. Okay, use a new one, a cup, a new cup. So it's me now. Let's take the 2. Now we have 4 mil over there. Yes, everybody see? Now we have a 6 mil. Little bit less, less. Be accurate, it's very important. 6 mil. Okay, now we have a 6 mil. Now we have 8 mil. Okay, now we have a 10 mil. Everybody see? Very good. Now if you want to be sure, you can see on the scale over there, it's a 10 mil. Let me see. Yes, I'm right. Okay, no need to mix it, just close the bottle each time that you use it, because it can fall and break. Now what I will do is use the hardener. Okay guys, the hardener, and after that the thinner. I take another one, another pipe, a new one, a fresh one, and use the hardener guys. I use the hardener, I open the hardener and put, if I have 10 here, a 0.5 mil, okay, of hardener, but I will put a 3 times 2 and it will be 6. So for 10 mil I use a 6 ml of hardener, and this is the mix that I use. Okay, 6 ml, guys. This is all we need. Okay, very good. Now they also say use a 10% of thinner. I usually use a little bit more. It's mean if they say I need to use a 3 ml, I will use a 3.5. Okay, or maybe like that, a 2 ml and a little bit more. Okay, that's all, guys. That's all you need. Everybody understand? Very good. Now we can mix it very well. Take your time to mix it and don't shoot it directly. Wait around 3 or 4 minutes. I tell you, organize everything, it will be ready. And don't put a bubble inside, yes, of air, because it's come to your model and create a fish eyes. Okay, everybody understand? We can go to spray it. Do you ready? If you have any question about the mixing the clear coat, how I mix it, I will be very happy to answer you. From my knowledge, it was awesome mix. You can try to do it different, use a spoon and shoot it and see what happens with less thinner or more thinner. This is how I do it, and you can try it and let me know. Okay, guys, I am ready. Let's prepare everything and start spray. Enjoy. Okay, so guys, yes, we finish. As you can see, my model is on a clear box. It's cure. It's look fantastic. I have small dust on the roof, and it's perfect for me for the next steps with you guys on the polishing. We will do it on the next Friday. I will show you how to get rid of them, all the dust on the touch on your model. As you can see, even me get dust, so don't get angry when you see dust. I will have the solution how to remove it. So I think it will be awesome to show you a photo. It will be a little bit cute, and in a couple of seconds you will see it in wonderful photo. And that's it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoy. If you have any question, sometimes people ask me about the spraying. I use around 30% psi, and I spray it as I show you in 3 steps: mist coat, wet coat, and fully wet coat. And that's it. I hope that you see the next video and enjoy with this amazing pearl white, guys. You will see it in a couple of seconds. Look how much amazing is it. Enjoy, take care, see the photo, bye bye.